Yan, maglaro tayo. Laro simple tayo. Ito. Ito syempre. Ito unahin natin. Una. Sir. Yan naman. Hindi naman nag-ano. $100. Gusto ko. Pero hindi lang sa ganon. Hindi lang sa ganon, guys. $16 lang. Hindi naman ganon, guys. 4. At 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 na lang. 4 lang. Bilihin ko sa ano nito. Likat, pasok!
All my friends say this spot never disappoints. I'd love to confirm that myself.
Baho mo naman. Bakit ganyan? Baho mo.
No problem, I wasn't using it anyway.
Ako na nga to.
Hope it's exactly what you were looking for. I'm fine.
Babae ka ba?
It helps you out some.
Ha? Bakit ka mo napalda? Babae ka, Trale.
A bold move, but I won't complain if it's for a purpose. I'm fine with it if it helps
Bakit
you
may
out
kutsulyo ka?
Penny saved, penny
Bakit
earned.
ka may kutsulyo? Bakit ka may kutsulyo? Diba? Bawal ganyan dito.
Life quality.
Sa puti-tikas
Bullseye.
yan eh.
No worries, I didn't really need that right now.
Santos ka, barada?
I'm fine with it if it
Lalaki
helps you
ka,
out some.
lalaki ka. Alam mo, bawal pwede sa'yo yan eh. Lalaki ka. Tsaka mo, lalaki kaya, di ba? Alis dito, baho-baho mo.
Oh, nice.
Alis.
Sorry for any trouble. I'll head out
Alis.
peacefully.
Sabi niyang alis.
Am I getting in?
Popok. Hindi lang, hindi ka na. Ayaw mo. O, ikaw naman. Anong ginagawa mo dito? Doon ka na lang when bayad ka na gusto mo. At, ganito eh. Kulit-kulit mo eh. Wala ka pa na ano eh. Kikita yung
It's my first time here, and I'd love the chance to discover what makes it special.
sinabing pumasok ka pa.
Were you aiming for the 20? I'm
Baho-baho
happy to share. It's all yours.
Baho-baho mo.
You must have a good reason for this. I trust you.
Baho-baho mo eh. Hindi ka nang
It's a
naligo.
bit unexpected, but I'll roll with it. You must have a good reason for this. I trust you.
Ano
Oh, you got good praise for it.
din daw. Baho nga mo.
Here you go. I hope it
Nag-toothbrush ka
helps
ba,
you.
Dada? Ha? Nag-toothbrush ka ba? Aba, di mong sasagutan ah. Ayos dito. Ganun na.
Great choice. I'm sure it'll help. I respect your call. I'll try another time.
Sasagutan eh. Ano mo ba ako, ha? Gusto mo nito?
That was not necessary.
Gusto ko mabakatin kita ito eh.
My
Kulit mo eh.
friends are
Pasok!
already having a blast.
Hindi ka.
I'd love to.
Ano yan? Anong atsura mo ganyan? Pangit-pangit.
Oh, you need that. Sure,
Pangit-pangit. Ano?
it's a bit unexpected.
Gusto natin ito. Pangit-pangit.
Must have a good reason for this. I trust you.
Ayos. Pangit-pangit. Saka sus mo pang babae lang yan eh.
It's a bit unexpected.
Pang lalaki pwede naman, pero pangit sa'yo eh.
Anything for you. I'm glad I could assist.
Wow! Ano? Pero ang pugi naman, ano mo, pero kulit-kulit mo eh. pwede ka nang pumasok kayo. Bawal eh. Bawal ganyan eh. Sige na nga!
This place has a great selection. Enjoy shopping.
Oh, pwede na yan. Alis na.
This is interesting. Thanks for the accessory. This is fantastic. I knew tonight would be great.
Bakit ganyan ka agad mo? Bakit ganyan
I'm crossing my fingers for that green stamp. I've been looking forward to this.
Bye-bye muna guys. See you later. Thank you sa